kid next door.
Oh, it's so hot. Let's make something refreshing. How about lemonade? For lemonade, you need the lemon squeezer, a glass, some salt, sugar. Let's get started. Take some water in the glass. Add 2 spoons of sugar. Then mix nicely. Mix till it dissolves. It'll take some time. Add a pinch of salt. Just a pinch. Mix again. Then take half the lemon, put it in the squeezer and squeeze. Lemons are rich in vitamin C. They help you fight germs. We must have lemon. Mix again. Your refreshing lemonade is ready. Taste. Yum, yum, yummy. Don't forget to subscribe.